A massive H1B visa scam has just been uncovered in Chennai. Around 2.2 lakh fake visas were circulating and many people believed they were genuine. So police have arrested 85 people who were running the scam, and the fraud, it didn't stop with H1B, even H4 visas were misused. Nearly 1.4 lakh people in Chennai were affected. So let me tell you some common worries that people have about the visa process. What if I apply on my own and it fails? What if an agency increases my chances? What if I miss something? But the truth is, US visas don't work like that. A visa agency cannot increase your chances, only correct information can. And the visa decisions are made only by USCIS inside the US and US Embassy Consulate in India. No private agency, no consultancy, no visa shop has any power in the decision. So why applying through agency is risky? They often fill wrong details, they reuse the same templates, some even create fake job offers or fake letters, some charge money for guarantees which is 100% fraud, and then if they make a mistake, you are responsible, not them. You can even get banned for misinterpretation. The one thing you have to keep in mind is that the US system checks everything electronically now, so fake tricks fail instantly. So if anyone says that they can get you a US visa quickly for money, please be careful and avoid them completely. I would say that applying yourself is actually safer because you put your correct details, you understand the process, you avoid middlemen who may cheat you, and also the embassy prefers applications done by the actual applicant. There is no secret trick or backdoor, it's all official and transparent. So applying yourself is actually cleaner, safer and more trusted. So let me tell you how US visa process usually works. So let us now first see about the H1B visas. I'll try to put it in a very simple way. First, a real US company gives you a job offer. Only they can file your H1B. You cannot apply yourself, no agent can apply. That same company files your case with USCIS. That's the US Immigration Office inside America, which approves your H1B petition. Once USCIS approves it, your part starts. You need to fill the DS-160 form, pay the MRV fee, that's the official visa appointment fee. And then you need to book your interview only on the official US visa website, nowhere else. And then you go to the US Embassy Consulate. They are the ones who interview you and put the visa stamp on your passport. So for H4 visas, the process is almost same as H1B stamping. Only few differences matters. So for H4 visas, you don't need a job. You apply because your spouse already has H1B approval. So you need to carry the 797 approval. That's the official approval notice of your spouse H1B. So here you need to fill DS-160 form for H4, not your spouse. And at the interview, you need to submit your marriage certificates and the spouse H1B proofs. So everything else, DS-160, MRV fee, interview, official website is the same process as in H1B stamping. So remember, H1B or H4, there is only one real process. Everything outside the official US system is a scam. So stay tuned and subscribe to File in Media for more interesting updates like these.